Hey, welcome in, party people. We're going to be going over a real quick video today on Shapr tips and tricks. Number 1 and 2, McMaster Carr. If you're unaware of McMaster Carr and you're wanting to make anything in the world, holy moly, McMaster Carr. Also step files and how they work with Shapr. Better together. Number 3 and 4 are folders and centers and pivots, making your life easy. 5 and 6 is when you're done with something, how to use a cross section to check for collisions in Shapr. And the number 7 bonus feature, how to write on a whiteboard with your hand holding it like a human. It's from Japan. It's called the Pentel knuckle, not a knuckle, but a knuckle. Pressurized, you just pump it up, Sharpie. Well, not a Sharpie, but a marker. And it's fantastic. And then the royalty-free music that I've been using from YouTube is this. So I might as well give them credit even though I don't have to. Hope you enjoy the video. It's a quick one. Should learn a lot. Thanks for watching. Let's do it from top down. Does this make the tabletop? We're just going to sketch out a rectangle. Say 400. Let's extrude this up to 300. Now we have a cube. We're going to take this, copy it because it's pretty much the right dimensions as the lid. There, now it's a lid. Hide that for now. This needs to be a box. Use the shell command. There. So now we have a box. We have a simple box. We have a simple lid. Now, let's draw some hinges, but hinges are complex, and if I drew the hinges, would I know that they're actually manufactured to any spec, or would I have to then 3D print or make the hinges? I want to use hinges I can buy. That's where McMaster Carr comes in. This place, literally, if you're a creator and you're not using it, oh my God, why have you been doing that? So let's do a hinge. Ooh, hinge brackets. I like the way that looks. T-slotted hinge bracket. There we go. That looks cool. So here's all the specs to that bracket. And you can, if I was working on a project that I knew I was going to use these in, I could order them right now. The nice thing is this download CAD button. Click here. I'm working in Shapr. So I'd like a step file because that's going to preserve quite a bit. Let's come back over to Shapr. Let's import the file. And here's the cool thing. It's in a folder. It's got 3 parts, which is super convenient. You'll see in a minute. It's behind the drawing. So there's the hinge that we just saw at McMaster Carr. If we ordered that, that'd be the hinge we would get. Now let's see if this hinge will actually work for this product or project. So let's take it up. Let's rotate it 90. So I can see if it would work with my box, right? Visually, we can make the adjustments to make sure that the screw holes are good, that the depth for the screw holes are good. But one thing that a lot of people don't know about Shapr is folder groupings and the changing of a pivot. The bottom object, right? And the, let's just take this folder. Let's just do it this way. Copy, because let's say I want 2 hinges. And then now we have 2 folders. If I do this and that, let's go grab the bottom hinge. And I'm going to take that bottom hinge and the box, and I'm going to put them in a folder. So now anytime I move the bottom box, it will move all those objects. So now let's take the revolving points and the upper hinge and the lid put them in a folder, right? Now let's see if the hinge works. Because I have these all grouped, we can move them around as central point. So if I was just gonna grab this right now and move it, you'd see that's no good. It didn't actually do what I wanted. So if we go back and select that folder again, and we look at it from the side, and this time, what we want to do is we want to take the center pivot for that group and put it right there on that hinge. And now when we open the box rotating around that pivot, we can actually see the workings of this McMaster Carr hinge and know before we build anything that it will work. We can look for clearances. We can see how far it's going to open, see how far it's going to shut. If there's any collisions, let's go ahead and create a collision, right? Where, you know, that wouldn't happen, but I just want to show you what a collision looks like. We can do the section view and look for red, right? If I see red, that means there's something going on. Now go back. With the section view, we can pull it in or out as much as we want. Red, not red. See where the overlap is? Red, not. So that's really quick visual use. See if things are cleared. Get stuff from McMaster tool. You know it's gonna work, and you don't spend any time going back and forth to a hardware store. What you're drawing with, you then go by and everything works out. And then you do a cross section just to see if it fits. Hope that was useful. Surely you got something out of that if you didn't already know those things.